I'm very tired, my friend. This is hard work.
What's going on? You're a hard worker.
Playing the piano.
As a
me.
tuner. No, automatic.
It's me, I'm playing.
Automatic.
What's going?
No, some technician.
So what's going on here, Miss my man Gerhard?
Oh, you want to take videos?
Yeah, come on. So it's been about a week since he put the posts up and he's here already digging up the land to place the fence. It's done?
Yeah, it's going to be done today.
Today?
We're installing it for you today. From tomorrow you'll have security.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes. Here comes the crane.
Wow. Can't get our door. This is so exciting. Right behind me are our concrete panels, I suppose they're called. Whoa. So right now they're parked up on the driveway because there's not a lot of room in this road, and they're about to balance the crane on the driveway. Take a look.
There's about a couple of centimeters, a gap from the driveway. Oh, this one's going in from that side there. Some action happening. It's cool, isn't it?
It does feel quite closed up, so I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to get adjusted to that, but it's nice though, nonetheless. It's nice having a bit of security in front of the house, so I am excited. Nice, look at that. Looks nice though, it's nice and flush.
Do you reckon it'll be flush?
Yeah, they're making it flush. Final piece of the wall, and you can see there's a big tree in the way, and I think he's just going to come around the front and then drop it down, avoiding the tree narrowly. Let's have a look. That's awesome.
Get a view from the other side, it'll be fun. No coordination. Surprised it only takes 2 men or 3 men.
It's so fun.
How you feeling? You tired?
I'm very tired, my friend. This is hard work. Well, that's okay. We got it done. We've got your fence up.
What's next?
We're going to be pouring and pinning and pouring now, and then next week Mitch will come around and do the patching for you.
Looking good. It's a lot of hard work just watching, to be honest. I can only imagine how hard it must be actually doing the manual labour.
Right. I knew today, I felt it, eh?
Oh my
The
god.
old bones don't want to do this anymore. This is a small panel. We put a metal mold around this end here just to give it extra stability. Like those fences are locked in together with each other, so stability is not a problem. But because there's a small panel for the pedestrian gate here, we have to put this one here just to make sure that if you do drive into the fence, that your car will be damaged and the fence won't be.
Oh, very smart. I like this. He's thinking for the future. So this is why you need to go to Tilt Up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Come on, Ash, get your hands dirty.
Yeah, come on. Let's
Come on.
Right.
Come on.
So, now officially a builder.
Yep, that's it.
Upgraded, right? I'll give you your license, okay?
Alright, so as you saw, we just put up a brand new fence, concrete fencing. The middle stage is now
Middle
complete
stage, yeah.
because that was the crane. Next up, we got a bit of polishing work to do, so there's going to be a patcher coming up next week, and they're going to just tidy up all and fill in all the little holes and stuff like that. How do you feel about this experience?
Do you know what? It's been awesome. These guys, there's two of them that come in and they just literally get it all. They've got it all done already. There's going to be the render, like Ash said, then we're going to paint it. But what's exciting for us is that we've got this fence, and also it's given us the ability to now look at the garden and now landscape it as well. So there's a lot of hard work going into this.
Yeah, it's fun.
A lot of hard
it's
work.
Fun. We're going to have to figure out what we're going to do. Maybe we'll plant some trees along the fence, make it look nicer.
Yeah, definitely going to do something.
Painting it, that's going to be fun.
I can't wait to
Yeah.
paint it. That's what I'm looking forward to.
The most. Yeah, painting.
Yeah,
All right.
most.
Hope you found this experience amazing.
Yes.
And stay tuned for the final part where we render it and make sure it looks gorgeous, just like